Viewers, welcome to On Indices Online Math and Physics. My name is Emmanuel. In our last video, we talked about law of indices. So we are done with all the laws of indices. Now we want to start taking questions now. Now these are the questions we are going to dive into. It says solve for x in the following equation. Solve for x in the following equation. Now, let's go. The first question says 9 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 is equal to what? 1. How can we solve for x? So, if you have followed us in our last, the last topic we treat, the last section under the law of indices, you will understand the law of exponential. I discovered that the last video I released, exponential function. So this will help us a lot to solve many integral equations, exponential function. Now, 9 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 is equal to 1. How can we solve this? Now, what can you do? Don't forget that this one is left hand side, right? Now, and this one is what? Right hand side. Now, what can you do? What can you do to the right hand side to have the same base with the left hand side? Now, don't forget that I told you that any number raised to the power of 0 becomes what? 1. What can you do to this 1 to make it have the equal base with this 9 here? Now, don't forget that you can say 9 raised to the power of 0 is still 1, right? Yes. Any number raised to the power of 0 is what? Is 1. Now, look at this. 9 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 is equal to 9 raised to the power of 0. Do you know that this is still this? Yes, because any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Now, the base are the same, right? This is the left hand side, this is what? The right hand side. So the base of the left hand side is equal to the base of the what? The right hand side. So you can cancel. Then 2x minus 1 is equal to what? 0. So you equate the power of the left hand side to the what? Power of what? The right hand side. Now 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now what are you going to do? Collect the like times. You have 2x is equal to 0 plus 1. So 2x is equal to 1, right? So divide that by 2. So if 2 cancel 2, you have x is equal to what? 1 over 2. This is the value of x. Let's solve the next question. Now, look at this. We have 9 raised to the power 2 minus x in brackets is equal to 3. It's still the same thing. It's the same thing. What can you do to, because if you check this, between the two, this is the left hand side and this is the what? The right hand side. So between the two, which of the following, which of these two bases can adapt to each other? What did I mean? There's no how you can, there's nothing you can raise 9 to be equal to what? 3. But there's something you can raise 3 to be equal to what? 9. Look at this. 3 raised to the power 2 is what? 9. So we are going to replace this 9 by what? 3 raised to the power of 2. That's why I say you have to make use of these all index forms. Now, let's replace 9 with 3 raised to the power 2. Now, we have 3 raised to the power 2. Put this in bracket, it's still in bracket. 2 minus x is equal to 3. What are you going to do? You open the bracket, or you can start, solving. Don't forget that this 3 is raised to the power of 1. Don't forget that. This 3 is not standing alone. It's standing raised to what? Power of 1. That is the index form of 3 himself. 3 raised to the power of what? 1. Now, 3 raised to the power 2 times 2 is what? 4, right? Then here, this place is what? This place is plus, right? Plus times minus becomes what? Minus, right? So this is minus. 2 times x is what? 2x, right? This is what? 2x. So we have opened the bracket for the power. Then is equal to 3 raised to the power of 1. Is that clear? Now, we can now cancel this because they are equal, right? Yes. Then equate the powers. So we have 4 minus 2x is equal to 1. So, and you have 4 is equal to 1. Okay, sorry. You have minus 2x. So this is the one that, because 2x and 1, they don't like times, right? Yes. So this 4 we cross equal sign. So don't forget that this is minus 2 on its own. Minus 2x is equal to 1. This 4 is plus, right? If you cross equal sign, it turns to what? Minus 4. Then minus 2x is equal to 1 minus 4 becomes what? Becomes minus 3, right? Yes, minus 3. So divide both sides by minus 2. So this cancel this. Our x becomes minus cancel minus. We have 3 over 2. Yes, or you say 1 or number 1 over 2. That becomes our answer. So that's the answer. If you really enjoyed this video, please do it to like, comment, and share. Thank you. God bless you.